Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to automatically create a YouTube video with PresenterGPT. Let's begin. The process is very simple. First you'll have to write the title of your video on a background image on the first slide. Each slide will need to have a background image matching its corresponding keyword. Now add new slides to your PowerPoint with keywords and pictures related to the theme of your video. In this example, we want to create a video about 5 great places in the region of Auvergne in France, so we'll add 5 more slides. You can use the avatar bottom center command for your video on each slide in order to maintain your avatar at the center of the screen. Don't forget to add a final slide to promote your YouTube channel by reminding your viewer to like and subscribe. Once your PowerPoint is complete, you'll just have to log into Automate Video and select PresenterGPT. You can also select the Create Audio Video caption for your audience. Let's watch the result. Welcome everyone, I'm excited to present to you 5 of the best places to visit in Auvergne so you can explore the region and create unforgettable memories. Auvergne is a region of France that is worth visiting. An iconic experience one can take in is the Puy de Dôme, a dormant volcano in central France. The mountain stands an impressive 1,465 meters tall and has an incredible view of the region from its peak. If you want to do shorts on YouTube, you can also switch the slides format of your PowerPoint from landscape to portrait. This YouTube format is supposed to be much shorter than usual videos, so keep only 1 or 2 slides maximum for it. Don't forget the avatar bottom center command for this format, just like we've seen before. It'll look like this. Let's start our journey in the Auvergne region of France with a visit to Vulcania. This unique theme park, located in the extinct volcano of Saint-Ars, is dedicated to the Earth and its seismic activity. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it. Go to www.automate.video to sign up and start creating your videos.